Yes, people, so see it there? Yeah. Alright, bad people. I'm on it.
What's up, my art? I run down. That is the food. Put on my style. Not an idea. Food food.
Oi, people, Wagwan. Welcome to 24-hour kitchen, people. You don't know Wagwan. So it's a good vibes, no? So it's the next day, people. Yeah, Ringo Vision and who? George P. outside.
Evident, you know the thing of the real Ghetto president over there. Have some breakfast in the morning. Yeah. That is the code. You see what I want?
Alright, I step to them today, you know, so we have a quick little snack. So we have on the menu some corn flakes, orange juice, you know, Wagwan people, one and two little things.
You know the thing of nice fruit, yeah. We have the
Apple.
The great apple here. You see it? You know the thing for breakfast in the morning, yeah. Cool.
Outside, good vibes, people. Just stay tuned to the vlog, people, because I will do a thing today. We're out and about, good vibes. Where is George P? Out pan them?
Out them, you hear that? We're outside in the London, you hear that? See the street there? Street talk for them. You hear that? One Ghetto president, you understand? You know the code by now, you hear that? Fully active on that.
Yes, people, so we just have to take a look at walking tour today, people, so good vibes, because we just landed at Croydon, people, see it there? West Croydon. Yeah, man, a good vibes, big up yourself. Yes, people, so we almost reach our destination right now, you know? So we're going to the fruits and veg place called George P. Canada, England, people, yeah, we're not getting some authentic, you understand, some authentic fruits.
Fruits and veg.
You understand, from back home, George P. can see jackfruit over there, so I know you're going to know a price where they sitting there across a fire, boy. Yeah. George P., you know they sitting there where you pick off a tree?
Yeah.
What's the price, Bunny, you know? What's the price? What's the price, you know? We reach, people. Yeah, man, so we have some dashing, breadfruit, and the jackfruit, turnip. Yeah, man, everything there, man. Sugar cane there, jelly coconut. Joseph! What happened?
What's up, brother?
What go on?
Good, man.
Joseph, big up 24-hour kitchen.
24-hour kitchen, yes, number one.
Alright.
There you go.
Yeah. Joseph, I need 2 jelly coconut water with jelly, please.
Yeah, pick it, what do you like?
No, you pick it.
No, I don't pick it.
George
You
P,
are
I
a
pick
chef,
2.
you have to pick yourself.
You haven't pick it? George P, I picked 2 jelly coconut. Yeah, man, because I bust 2 jelly in my man, yeah, George P. Joseph, can you weigh that jackfruit? This one, can you weigh it?
Which one?
This.
50
Just for the program, I just need people to know the price, please. Yeah, everyone, we're gonna make you know the price in a second, don't worry.
£50.
£50. You hear that, everyone? £50 for that jackfruit there. I'll go and lift it up in a second. Yes, people, so see it there? Yeah. Everything £10, thank you. Good vibe. Joseph, give this one there to George P.
Yeah, that's one. So which one? This one? Which one are you doing?
George P, where next one there you pick? Yeah. Good vibes, good vibes. Big up yourself, people, yeah?
Yeah, Ringo.
Joseph, let me get a straw, please. Let me get a straw, please. Alright. A good vibes. Straw, yeah, I know, George P.
I'll have one now, and then when she comes out, she comes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, it's okay.
I want 4 sweet ones. They pop them. You will drink them.
Wow. Yeah, man, I don't know. Thing, you know, George P, we didn't say about the jelly coconut, George P.
No, like jelly coconut, it's sweet.
Sweet, not true?
Yeah, man, I like it.
Alright, bad people. Good morning, yeah.
What's up, my art? I London, yeah. That is the code. Put on my style already.
People, you soon, because George P is going to be performing tomorrow, so you soon see some exclusive again, because we're outside, fully active people, yeah. Big up yourself, you don't know, jelly coconut water, in my man, yeah. We're dealing with some sugar cane as well. Yeah, man, we have to big up George P people, yeah, on the program as well, yeah. He's also got a channel because he's a musician as well. So you can also check him out as well, people, on his YouTube channel and on his socials as well. So I'm going to tag him So look at his tag on the screen, people, yeah, so a good vibe. Big up George P.
Evident when you know the thing. Go one ring blood vision.
So what we're gonna have right now, we can't waste the jelly inside of the coconut, you know, people. So that is it. Let me say one more, Joseph. That is it.
Thank you.
Watch how we make the spoon. You see the spoon?
Respect in general.
It's a George P.
Yeah, man, you know, come on, go up there.
Code. Code, people. Code. When you say George P, come like, you know, there's 2 5 from a yard, not true?
Man, you some teeth, me use. Go sharp that.
Alright. I ain't that people are fine in England, look. Yes, people, you know, it's a Caribbean program, so same way, don't know what I'm going. So I have to carry George P. come in a authentic store that's carrying be a different type of Jamaican products. I like George P.
Yeah, man, I not lie. Everything I see I saw there yard, you know. Come like a yard money.
Same way.
They've reached Easter egg and watch ya. Be Easter bud.
When I put him online, to see my same shop is have a lot of Caribbean, so I'm going to put him online.
Yeah, put him today I go online.
Okay, put him online.
You get the president there.
He's a good man. He's a good man.
Thank you.
Very good. Tell him everything is here, Easter, but don't put me on it though, you know.
My most stuff is coming straight in the Jamaica. You know? You can't get it. If you need anything, just give me the order. That's 1 week before, and I bring it to Jamaica.
Everything man have tongue.
You have
Yeah,
George
the
P.
man have everything. G,
It's a
the
food
man have
wise.
Kool-Aid. G, the man have syrup. G. Nah, like. And this
Everything.
is shop for buy.
Milo,
This
okay.
is shop for buy.
Yeah,
This is the shop for buy.
a true one.
The food wise, Croydon, Church Street.
Yeah, man, people. So what? We're gonna get the fruit punch, the June plum, and we're gonna get the cheese crunchies. Them, yeah, good vibes, really nice story. So, yeah, man, George P. See ya.
See that? Not an idea. Fruit punch. Cheese country. Food up. Jamaican style in the UK.
They said they got the Easter bun them ready, you know, stock up. Outside we gone, man. A good vibes, people. Big up yourself. See it there? Jamaican products. Yeah, man. A good vibes in our city, in our town centre, you know. Market today. Yeah, man, people. Just do a little pit stop quickly. Something different on the menu quickly. Yeah, we're gonna get like some form of chicken wrap here with some fresh salad and them thing there. Yeah, man. A good vibe, people. Yeah, outside.
Chips inside, yeah?
Yes, please. Look at that, everybody. So yeah, man, I just a different vibes right now. Some chili sauce,
Have a chili? Yes.
Yes, thank you very much.
Welcome, mate.
Yeah.
Have a lovely weekend.
Yeah, man, people, it's a short and sweet vlog, you know, cause we're there, you know. One link up said we're. So, see M.come pick up George P, you know.
Uniting of people.
Alright, good vibes, people, big up yourself. Alright, people, yeah. episode of 24 Hour Kitchen. You don't know where I'm going. We're fully outside. Yeah, man, good vibes.
Big up the wall, ready. One ring go. One beer. One extra.
Yeah, give them one more. Give them one more. Wheel it up. One more. Wheel it.
Now you get him like the fight.
Give him again. Give him a different tune, Bunny George.
Do you want anyone back to Wigh a little bit? Is this all good?
The girl, yeah, it's good.
Yeah.
I'm a sharp one over this one. Instead of smooth and right this one. Now the DJ back home. Look, when the girl them are over on the baseline. My girl, the baseline. They say she will be the one who has gone on. Yeah. Love it. What's all the wicked and wild? That is it. You know what I'm father? I don't know the man in that. And that. They get them up. They get them up. Got no one to fight. Right. Like, you know what?